Printers play a crucial role in IT infrastructure, converting digital files into tangible documents. The creation of these devices is a complex and meticulous process that involves several stages, including design, prototyping, manufacturing, and quality control. This article provides an in-depth look at how IT printers are created from concept to final product. 1. Concept and design. The process of creating an IT printer begins with market research and identifying user needs. Engineers and designers collaborate to develop a blueprint that balances functionality, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. Factors such as printing speed, resolution, connectivity options, and energy efficiency are considered during this phase. CAD, computer-aided design software, is used to create digital models of the printer. These models include detailed schematics of internal components, including print heads, ink or toner delivery systems, and circuit boards. 2. Prototyping. Once the design is finalized, a prototype is built to test the feasibility of the concept. Rapid prototyping techniques, such as 3D printing, are often used to create physical models of the printer's casing and internal parts. Engineers then test these prototypes for 1. Print quality and speed. 2. Connectivity with various devices. 3. Durability and thermal management. 4. Power consumption and environmental impact. Based on the results, modifications may be made before proceeding to full-scale production. 3. Component manufacturing. The manufacturing phase involves the production of various printer components. These components include 1. Print heads. For inkjet printers, these are responsible for precisely spraying ink onto paper. 1. Laser printers use a drum unit to transfer toner. 2. Paper handling mechanism. Rollers, trays, and feeders ensure smooth paper movement during printing. 3. Electronic circuitry. The motherboard and control panels process print jobs and manage printer operations. 4. Ink and toner cartridges. These contain the necessary ink or toner required for printing. 5. Outer casing. The frame that houses all internal components. Manufacturers use high-precision machinery to create these parts while ensuring they meet stringent quality standards. 4. Assembly. Once individual components are produced, they are assembled in an automated or semi-automated assembly line. This step involves 1. Installing circuit boards and control panels. 2. Integrating print heads and toner or ink cartridge systems. 3. Assembling the paper feeding and output mechanism. 4. Attaching power supply units and connectivity ports. Each printer is subjected to preliminary testing during assembly to ensure all components are correctly installed and functioning. 5. Firmware and software integration. Modern IT printers rely on embedded software, firmware, to process print jobs efficiently. Developers program firmware to manage print speed, ink usage, and network connectivity. Additionally, printer manufacturers develop drivers and applications that allow users to control the printer from their computers, smartphones, and cloud-based services. 6. Quality control and testing. Before printers are shipped to consumers, they undergo rigorous quality control testing. The testing process includes 1. Print quality tests, ensuring clear and sharp prints with accurate color reproduction. 2. Durability tests, simulating prolonged usage to assess longevity. 3. Connectivity tests, verifying seamless connections via USB, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Ethernet. 4. Environmental tests, measuring energy consumption and compliance with eco-friendly regulations. Any printer that fails quality control tests is sent back for adjustments or rejected altogether. 7. Packaging and distribution. Once approved, printers are packaged with accessories such as power cables, installation manuals, and ink or toner cartridges. They are then shipped to warehouses, retailers, or directly to customers. Manufacturers ensure that packaging is eco-friendly and protects the printer from damage during transportation. Conclusion. The creation of IT printers is a multi-stage process that involves extensive research, precise engineering, and stringent quality control. From conceptual design to final assembly, each step ensures that printers meet industry standards and customer expectations. As technology advances, manufacturers continue to innovate, producing more efficient and eco-friendly printing solutions for businesses and consumers alike.